Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see the second part of the previous year question paper, Electrical Overseer Kerala Port Department held on 2014. Then let me go through the questions. Question number 26. For moving iron instruments, which statement below is not correct? Answer is option A. Scales of this instrument are uniform. Question number 27. In a delta connected circuit, the relationship between line and phase voltage of a delta connected circuit is given by. Answer is option A. VL equals VP. Question number 28. In the instrument of three-phase power by 2 wattmeter method, if 2 wattmeter readings are equal, the power factor of the circuit is. Answer is option A. Unity. Question number 29. Oil in transformer is used as. Answer is option C. Both A and B. Question number 30. The pole and pole shoe of a synchronous machine are laminated in order to reduce. Answer is option D. Heating due to eddy currents. Question number 31. Economizer in a boiler is used to. Answer is option C. Reduce fuel consumption. Question number 32. In a ACSR conductors, steel wire is used for. Answer is option C. Providing additional mechanical strength. Question number 33. For repetitive type projectors, the mostly used network technique is. Answer is option B. CPM. Question number 34. In quality system, which is the model for quality assurance in design, production, installation and servicing? Answer is option B. ISO 9001. Question number 35. When the relative permeability of a material is slightly less than 1, it is called a. Answer is option A. Diamagnetic material. Question number 36. Transportation method is. Answer is option C, quantitative management technique. Question number 37. In induction heating, which of the following is of high value? Answer is option C, frequency. Question number 38. The method of heating used for non-conducting material is? Answer is option A, dielectric heating. Question number 39. The power factor in a transformer. Answer is option B, depends on power factor of the load. Question number 40. The advantage of salient poles in an alternator is? Answer is option C, adaptability to low and medium speed operation. Question number 41. In which of the following motors the stator and rotor magnetic fields rotate at the same speed? Answer is option A, synchronous motor. Question number 42. In which method of starting a motor the starting current is maximum? Answer is option D, direct online. Question number 43. 1 legs is same as? Answer is option B, 1 lumen per square meter. Question number 44. Which of the following materials has the highest permeability? Answer is option A, permalloy. Question number 45. In performing the short circuit test of a transformer, answer is option B, low voltage side is usually short circuited. Question number 46. In a DC machine, armature EMF is? Answer is option C, stationary with respect to field. Question number 47. An electric field can deflect. Answer is option C, alpha particles. Question number 48. PERT is? Answer is option B, program evaluation and review technique. Question number 49. Mutual inductance between two coils can be decreased by. Answer is option C, by moving the coils by apart. Question number 50. Transient currents in electrical circuits are associated with. Answer is option D, both A and B. That is, both inductors and capacitors.